Hello, dreamers. Are you tired of being woken up by your own snoring? Do you live with someone who sounds like a construction site? Today, I'll show you effective techniques to put an end to the never ending symphony of snores. So, with that in mind, welcome to Dream Haven. Let's get started. Before we get into the details of how to stop your snoring, let's take a look at what snoring actually is. Have you ever wondered why some of us turn into nighttime trumpeters? It's all about what happens in our throat when we hit the pillow. As we snooze, muscles in our throat relax. For some, this relaxation creates a narrower air passage. Air whistling through this tight space causes the tissues to vibrate, producing that all too familiar snoring sound. It's like having an involuntary musical instrument in our throat. Interestingly, not everyone plays this instrument the same way. Factors like anatomy, health, and lifestyle can change the tune of our snoring. So let's talk health. It's not just about nighttime noise. Chronic snoring can be a sign of deeper health issues. It's linked to conditions like sleep apnea, which affects breathing and can lead to serious problems like heart disease. Plus, poor sleep quality from snoring can impact your daily life, causing fatigue and concentration issues. But don't worry, recognizing these risks is the first step to healthier sleep. Stay with me as we explore how to turn down the volume on snoring. So, with that out of the way, the part you have all been waiting for: how do I reduce or stop my snoring? Well, you're in luck. After thousands of hours of sleep wellness classes and 5 years in the sleep wellness business, I have found four key factors to helping with the nightly nonsense. So, first up, sleep positions. Adjusting how you sleep can make a huge difference. For instance, most people will tell you that sleeping on your back is the healthiest way to sleep. However, if you're sounding like a fighter plane every night, sleeping on your back often worsens snoring, as gravity causes the tongue to fall back, narrowing your airway. Switching to side sleeping can help keep the airway open. Now, this is a tricky one because your mattress will play a huge impact on how well you sleep and what position your body feels most comfortable in once you're knocked out. If your mattress is too firm, side sleeping can be a challenge, as it puts a lot of pressure on your shoulders and hips. Do you wake up and your arm is numb? Chances are your mattress is too firm and it's cutting off the circulation to your limbs. If your mattress is too soft and feels like you're sleeping on a marshmallow, chances are your midsection isn't getting the support it needs. Mattresses are often the most important and easiest way to help fix 90% of your sleep issues. But that's absolutely a topic that will need its own video, so subscribe and I'll walk you through all that I have learned in regards to it. Next is a heavy subject: weight management. Excess weight, especially around the neck, can put extra pressure on the airways, leading to snoring. This weight compresses the soft tissue in the throat and narrows the airways, making it more likely for these tissues to vibrate and produce the snoring sound. By losing weight, you can reduce this pressure, resulting in a wider airway during sleep, which can significantly decrease the intensity and frequency of your snoring. It's important to approach weight loss in a healthy and sustainable manner, such as through a balanced diet and regular exercise, which not only aids in stopping the snoring, but also improves overall health. For individuals struggling with snoring, especially those who are overweight, weight loss can be an effective and natural way to alleviate this issue. The next one might be a little surprising: alcohol consumption. You might be saying to yourself, I pass out right away after a good night of drinking, and there's a lot to unpack there. But in general, consuming alcohol before bed is detrimental to your overall sleep health. In relation to this video, consuming alcohol before bed significantly impacts snoring due to its effect on the body's muscles, particularly those in the throat. When you drink alcohol, it relaxes the muscles in your throat more than usual. This relaxation can cause the airway to narrow or become blocked, leading to increased vibrations as air passes through, which results in snoring. Additionally, alcohol can alter your sleep patterns and reduce the quality of sleep, exacerbating snoring problems. Reducing or avoiding alcohol intake a few hours before bedtime can help maintain firmer throat muscles and lead to a more stable and open airway, thus reducing the likelihood of snoring. Last but for sure not least, allergies and nasal congestion. Addressing allergies and nasal congestion plays a crucial role in reducing snoring. Allergies can cause swelling in the nasal passages and throat, leading to a narrowed airway and increased snoring. Similar to this, nasal congestion from a cold or other respiratory infections can force you to breathe through your mouth, which can also increase snoring. Effective ways to tackle these issues include using antihistamines or nasal sprays for allergies, employing nasal strips to open up the nasal passages, and maintaining a clean environment to reduce allergen exposure. Additionally, using a humidifier in the bedroom can help keep the air moist, reducing congestion. By addressing these nasal and throat issues, you can improve airflow and reduce the likelihood of snoring. Now, there are many other ways to help with snoring, not just these four, but these four are the core foundation problems. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your journey to better your sleep. Take some time and tackle these issues one by one. By incorporating these small changes into your lifestyle, you can significantly reduce snoring, leading to better sleep quality for you and your partner. If you would like a personalized one on one consultation for upgrading your sleep environment, please reach out to me via the link in the description, and I will do all I can to give you the best night's sleep possible for the best price possible. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate all of you, and I hope you all have a good night's sleep.